traders, Mike from MS100 here with you, and I'm just going through some of my charts, and I just do want to take a look at the dollar and show you what could possibly be happening here in the US dollar. Not right now, I'm just taking a look at the larger picture, which I am going to expand for you, but notice we have this possible. Here's the flagpole. If I actually shrunk it up a little more for you, you'd be able to see this flagpole actually come into play. The possible downtrend here with the flag and the flag right there. Now let me zoom in on this chart here for you, and we'll take a look at each of the indicators one by one. I'll show you what's happening here. Alright, so here's a nice close-up of the pattern here. A nice up downtrend line here of resistance, nice uptrend line here of support, and we did break through support when we came down here to this purple trend line I have drawn in here, and now this is a double bottom area. And now what I like to see on double bottoms is a breakthrough and some kind of reversal upward. So that's what I'm looking at, one as a possible double bottom here in the US dollar. A lot of people have gone bearish on it. The next thing I am taking a look at here is these ticks here on the MACD histogram. Well, we've gone negative, but we haven't gone as negative as we were back here, and yet right now we've made lower lows. Now also take a look here at the rising MACD, looking for maybe a bounce off some sort of area here in this trend line. There's actually no apparent bounce yet, but there might be one soon to come in. I'm going to pull up the stochastics now and show you what I see, possible divergence in the stochastics also. Alright, here are my 14.33 stochastics. Taking a look right here when we made our first new low, we had lower lows here on the stochastics, and as we're making a new low now, we're making higher lows. Those are actually a divergence in the price. The price is making new lower lows as the stochastics here are making higher lows, and this could be an indicator for a stochastics divergence trade that will be coming up pretty soon. Right now I'm going to pull up the actual volume here on the stock for you, and look at the volume. This is on the UUP. Look at the volume that we had today. We had amazing volume. We did break to new lows, and we actually turned around intraday. We actually thrust it up here, and we actually engulfed this whole candle here. And so that's what I'm looking at right now. We're at 23.50. Hold on, let me move this over. 23.51. And if we actually can get some nice volume tomorrow and some more upside here, we actually can come back up and possibly get a test of this 20 period moving average here that's at 23.82. So if we do get a move in the dollar to the upside, we might be able to see the market sell off a little bit, and we might be able to see some of the commodities rally like gold. Some of the commodities sell off like gold, silver, natural gas, and oil. So that's something that I will be watching along with Apple for some movement of the market tomorrow. I might actually take a trade here in the US dollar, go long it for a couple days. You really ain't getting much move here in the UUP, so I am going to look for something that actually is 2 times the move of the dollar. But I do like this possible divergence trade setting up here on the stochastics, and as we also did see up here on our MACD with the rising MACD, that actually looks pretty nice there, and possible nice double bottom formation after this extremely bearish flag that was forming. A lot of people are getting pretty bearish on the dollar. They think it's going down a lot, so we're going to see what's going to happen with the dollar. Just something to take a look at in the markets tomorrow. Alright guys, take it easy.